We took a single story, small home with a carport, and we transformed it into a 2-story, tripling the size of the square footage, and did a build out in the back. Totally reformed the whole house. So you gotta take a look at this. Wow, the master bedroom's back there, and can't wait to show it to you. Okay, so we're in the master bedroom, right? Look how big this master bedroom is. It's amazing, right? Beautiful windows, and we're getting all the natural light in. And look at that vaulted ceiling that we put up with that beautiful fan that's just moving some beautiful air around. Gotta love it. There's so much to show you in this house. It's just fantastic. Come on, this is the master bathroom. Beautiful. Of course, 2 vanities, right? And love what the client picked back here from the wall. Beautiful lighting fixtures and plumbing fixtures. Good stuff. Plenty of place for the wife to hide her things in the cabinet here, right? And you guys see this. I love this clawfoot tub. Gorgeous, gorgeous clawfoot tub. Makes me almost want to jump in there right now. I don't think we need to show that on TV, do we though? Just kidding. And then I love the color choice that the client picked here as well. So we've got all the hardware that's matching the clawfoot tub. Beautiful greens and blues up there with matching the grays nicely. Shower head's gorgeous. I think we can have a small party in here actually. So, okay, the client's gonna finish building out some of this stuff in here. So this is the way he wanted us to do it for now. But here we go, way back. Women's closet, good stuff. Can't beat it. Oh, something really cool. The client, before we built this out for him, he was working out of a closet with his desk. Look, so he wanted to put his office upstairs by the master bedroom. So now, instead of working out of a closet, he actually has his own dedicated office space. All right, so we're still on the second floor. Still on the second floor, imagine that. And we're gonna go into the laundry room that we put up here too as well. There's nothing wrong with doing your laundry on the second floor. It makes it a lot easier than going downstairs, right? And washer dryer, of course. This is a pretty neat thing that the client picked as well. It's an ozone generator to clean your clothes, which is pretty neat. You don't need detergent, imagine that. And then of course you got a place to hang your laundry and fold your clothes. Perfect place, and there's another closet behind the door as well. So, okay, we're finally going downstairs, come on. Good color floor. Hey Kyle, hey, you guys wanna see Kyle? Kyle's our senior project manager. He's the one in charge of all this stuff. He does a great job for us. Okay, so we're downstairs in the den, and the client is British, and they have a long history of British. And they wanted to bring their British heritage here. And they have some really cool British family heirlooms that they want to put in this room. So this is a British inspired room, really, really gorgeous. I love the color, the way they did it. And then really what they wanted to do, check out this fireplace we did for them. This is a water vapor fireplace. It's beautiful. It's also beautiful for condos because it's water vapor. So there's no venting that needs to be done to it, but it's really beautiful and it looks good. It's all about getting the client's dream and their vision delivered to them, and we have a lot of conversations about them. You know, where are they from, what do they want to do, and what do they want to make out of their home, and you know, how do they want to live, what do they want to see. So we make their dreams come true. So beautiful stuff. And then beautiful kitchen, subway tiles, and I love the color of the cabinets. Always nice and you know, soft close cabinets for sure. Little farmhouse sink there. Again, love the blue. A Wolf stove, beautiful stove, great quality right there. My wife wants one. Don't tell her. All right, so good stuff. And then it opens up to the family room here. Nice and spacious. Remember, we made this house like 3 times larger than what it originally was. Okay, front porch, gorgeous. By the way, the client did a lot of this stuff himself. Very, very handy, like I told you before. So I really like what he did with this here. Great design. Nice step-up area. He can sit on the front porch and watch his neighbors go by all day long. So beautiful long front porch. Love the ceiling that he did too. Really, really gorgeous stuff. We're outside the client's house. Remember, this is the house that we took from a small single-story house with a carport. Look Look at the carport, holy moly. It just grew. What a great job with that carport. And it goes deep in the back too. It's a beautiful 2-car garage now and 2-car deep back there. And there's some storage back there. Come on, I'll show it a little bit. Talk about storage now. This guy had no storage before. I don't know how he even did it before, but now, beautiful, big garage. This is the way you gotta do it, you know, gotta make it happen. Make it look good. So this gentleman, this is a retirement home. So he's done working and he's been in the trade a long time in construction as well, but he hired us to help him do this. So we're really excited to have him as a client and we're really excited to have him happy.